The Diamond Lift is an in-ground lift and is one of the showpieces of Stertil-Koni. It is user-friendly. It has a high capacity and great lifting heights. It is adjustable for all kinds of vehicles. And it is green and safe. So let's have a closer look at this new benchmark for the industry. Eye-catching is the above-ground console that conveniently houses the power unit. The power unit is thus well protected against humidity and debris, which is always a problem when it is located in the pit. Another advantage from this above-ground location is the easy access for maintenance and inspection. Operation of the Diamond Lift is easy and therefore safe. The push buttons are neatly arranged and intuitive to use. For extra convenience, options like an automatic wheelbase positioning system and a remote control are available. The chrome-plated pistons have a capacity of 15,000 kilograms, 32,000 pounds each. Together with the comprehensive adapter package and the various flexible configurations with 2 or 3 pistons, makes the lift adjustable to even the most versatile vehicle fleet. Only 18 liters, 4.8 gallons of biodegradable oil per piston is needed, far less than other systems, which makes the Diamond Lift a very green lift. Safety first is one of the basic principles of the Diamond Lift. That's why the lift is automatically locked almost directly after the tires clear the floor. That's why all aluminum trench covers are flush to the floor and have full drive over capacity. And that's also why all holes are covered by a fully integrated cover plate system. The Diamond Lift is robust and built to last thanks to the intelligent design and use of high-quality materials that are resistant to corrosion and other wear. This becomes even more obvious below ground level. Available with either a sturdy self-containing steel cassette that is hot-dipped galvanized and extra covered with Diamond Guard coating, or with a frame-only version that is installed in a concrete pit. All hoses are well protected in heavy-duty hose carriers. And instead of rollers, the Diamond Lift uses self-lubricating sliding blocks to have a more optimal load distribution. A high capacity, great lifting heights, user-friendly and safe. As with all Stertil-Koni products, the Diamond Lift is designed and built to the highest quality standards. For any demanding customer, a guarantee for lifelong excellent performance and a very profitable return on investment. Stertil-Koni. We lift any fleet.